Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. You just click here on settings. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on push notifications. Then you come here to market Milestone here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean market Milestone notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.